Volvo Cars launches EVA to ensure car safety for all genders. Volvo Cars found that women are more likely to be injured in a car crash as male crash test dummies are used as the standard by the industry, hoping to make cars safer for everyone and not just the average male. It launched Equal Vehicle for All initiative, wherein it released data for automakers to study and take necessary precautions. Ola raises $300 million from Hyundai and Kia Motors. Homegrown ride-hailing startup Ola on Tuesday announced it has raised $300 million from Hyundai Motor Group's Hyundai Motor Company and Kia Motors in their biggest combined investment to date. The three companies will build India-specific electric vehicles and infrastructure. The investment is part of Ola's ongoing Series J round of funding, which is estimated at $1 billion. Volvo's Kia to let users set a limit on car speed. Swedish luxury automaker Volvo announced vehicles starting 2021 will come with a Kia that lets users set speed limits on vehicles when powered on with it. This follows the automaker's recent announcement that it will limit top speed of all vehicles starting 2020 to 180 km/h. Volvo had also announced a camera monitoring system to detect drunk or distracted driving. Amazon veteran becomes first externally hired Ford CFO in 70 years. American multinational automaker Ford has named 20-year Amazon veteran Tim Stone as its next chief financial officer. CFO, the first external hire in around 70 years. Ford's present CFO Bob Shanks will retire at the end of 2019 after having served for around 42 years. Stone had served various roles at Amazon before joining Snap as CFO in May 2018.